Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down until you'll find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again and find Backup and Reset. Let's tap here, and as you can see here, we've got the whole Google Backup section. Now the backup option is off. In order to turn it on, just tap here. Make sure that it is turned on, and now the backup accounts option is active, so we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account now. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's click on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. And click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, to check it, simply tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's click on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your OPPO Reno for Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.